How to fix YouTube TV not loading. If YouTube TV is not loading, it may be due to connectivity issues, app glitches, or device-related problems. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Verify that your internet connection is active and stable. Use an online speed test to ensure you meet YouTube TV's recommended speeds, at least 3 megabits per second for standard streaming and 13 megabits per second for HD streaming. Restart your modem or router to refresh the connection. Step 2. Restart your device. Turn off the device you are using to access YouTube TV. Unplug it from the power source, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Turn the device back on and try loading YouTube TV again. Step 3. Check YouTube TV server status. Visit online platforms like Down Detector to see if YouTube TV is experiencing outages. If there is an outage, wait for YouTube TV to resolve the issue. Step 4. Update the YouTube TV app. Go to your device's app store and check for updates for YouTube TV. If an update is available, install it and restart the app. Step 5. Clear cache and data for app users. Navigate to Settings, Apps. YouTube TV on your device. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Relaunch the app and log back in if necessary. Step 6. Try a different device or browser. Test YouTube TV on another device or web browser to see if the issue is device-specific. Use supported browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for streaming on a computer. Step 7. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy server, disable it and try accessing YouTube TV again. Some VPNs or proxies may interfere with YouTube TV's ability to load content. Step 8. Lower streaming quality. Open YouTube TV, go to Settings, and select a lower streaming quality, Idagi, 480p, or 720p. Reducing bandwidth requirements can help resolve loading issues. Following these steps should help resolve the issue and get YouTube TV loading properly.